Learn English with Om Nom.
Om Nom, where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you. Om Nom, wake up. Wake up, Om Nom. Wait, Om Nom, I've been wanting to tell you something. Whoa, what is this place? A TV set. A book on a cabinet. Picture frames. Which part of the house is this? Sofa set. And a carpet. Where do you find all these things? I know, in a living room. Wait, Om Nom, I have to tell you something. Oh, where are you now? Wait, careful. Oh, thank God you're okay. A dressing table with a mirror, a side table with flowers, a bed. Seems like you find all these things in a bedroom. That's right, a bedroom. Wow. Om Nom, I still have something to tell you. Oh, now which part of the house is this? Careful, Om Nom, it's hot. Find some water. That's better. Now, there's a cooker, an extractor fan, a fridge, a kettle, a clock. Where do you find all these things? I know, the kitchen! Oh, there you are, Om Nom, eating an ice cream. I wanted to tell you how much I love you.
Subscribe! Click to watch more!